Designed to perform a number of tasks faster and more efficiently, Apple Intelligence seems to be a step in the right direction. One of the most loved features of the Apple Intelligence is the ability to summarize notifications to let you more easily keep track of the important notifications. That said, let's learn how to summarize notifications using Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Sure, to get started, you have to launch the Settings app on your compatible iDevice. After that, select Summarize Previews, and then you have to turn on the toggle right next to Summarize Previews. And finally, you have to enable the toggles for specific apps with notifications you want to summarize, and you are all set. Going forward, Apple Intelligence will smartly summarize the preview of all notifications to help you easily keep track of the important alerts and stay in sync with them. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily summarize notifications using Apple Intelligence on your compatible iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Now that we have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it to stay in sync and keep track of all the important notifications at your own pace. And I'll catch you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have your time. Bye.